Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Appreciate all you guys being here. I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you how I remove chrome paint from parts. This is the chrome parts from the 1978 Corvette pace car kit. Jeez, can't even speak today. As you can tell, it's got chrome on it. Let me show you how I'm going to remove it. And what I'm going to use is this right here, the LA's Totally Awesome Orange Heavy Duty Degreaser and Cleaner. It's a great chrome removal tool. So let me show you how it works. First of all, let me show you what time it is and what's the date. Hang on, this ain't the thing tripod. Hold up, I gotta figure out how to work it and use it and zoom in. Dang it, that ain't working either. So yeah, right there you can tell it is 4:50 p.m. August 11th, 2026. I don't know why it's not. Why is it so fuzzy? I don't understand. It's got to be my phone, but yeah, it's 4:50 p.m. at August 11th, 2026. Let me get you back over here. Sorry. But yeah, sorry folks, I should have been better at this. I know I'm better at this. Hang on. Trying to get you up here so you can see exactly how this stuff works and how quick it is. So yeah, you've seen the date. And you're watching me pour it in as we speak. Here we go. We're pouring it in. There we go. Parts are completely covered. Now I'm going to let this sit. Real-time video, you guys are going to see how quick it is to remove chrome paint from parts. And I think it's already working. Just that quick. These bubbles go away. See right there? Let's see here. That right there, the chrome's already gone. Just that quick. That's crazy. Let's see if I can zoom in a little closer. Hang on. There we go. That's a little better. I'm gonna let this sit here and play so you guys can see just how long it takes. These bubbles out of the way. Doesn't take long at all. I don't know if you can tell right there. There's some bubbles coming up. Can you guys see those bubbles popping up? I don't know if you can see that or not. Yep, right there. There's actually some chemical reaction happening right now as we speak. It's right in here. These bubbles coming up. About there, see them? What that is the chrome going away, and some of the wheels are already starting to get white in here. So yeah, this stuff works pretty fast. It's only been like 4 minutes so far, and you right here you can tell the steering wheel is losing some of its luster. Let's see. Yep, look at there. some of the chrome's off the wheels already. So yeah, this stuff works pretty doggone fast. Flip it over, look at the other side. So yeah, see, some of the white's off the wheels already. And the back of the air cleaner is already completely white. Chrome's off of it already. So yeah, if you're wondering how to remove chrome from chrome parts from kits, LA's Totally Awesome is definitely the way to go. I mean, you guys have seen this in real time. It's only been almost well, I started the video 5 minutes ago, and it's already halfway done. So you don't even have to wait overnight. I mean, a lot of guys put this stuff in and wait overnight just for it to, I guess they think it works overnight, but I'm sure it does. But as you can tell, it doesn't take long at all. It's almost already gone. This stuff's crazy. LA's Totally Awesome is most definitely awesome. So yeah, it's only been 4.5, 5 minutes, and look, the chrome's almost all the way gone. The only chrome is this part right here on the very edge. Crazy stuff. So yeah, if you want to remove chrome from your chrome trees, LA's Totally Awesome is the way to go. You see, it's only been 5 minutes and it's already completely gone. Put it in for another, shake it around a little bit longer just to make sure it's all off. I mean, this stuff is amazing. Doesn't take long at all. And you can actually see the chemical process working as soon as I put it in there, because the bubbles were rising to the top. And you guys saw this in real time. I mean, it's crazy. I've never seen a product work this well. And the thing is, it's all, like, it's not harmful at all. I mean, yeah, it's a chemical, but it's 100% working. See that? Thumbs up. So, there you have it, guys. Let me zoom back out and we'll, hang on. Let me zoom back out just a little bit. Get a wide angle picture of it. And there you have it. The chrome is completely gone in less than 6-7 minutes. And all you got to do now is just put it under the sink and wash all the residue off, and you are good to go. I mean, that's crazy. You saw that edge that had the chrome on it not a minute ago. Now it's not there. Insane. So there you have it, folks. That's a way to remove the chrome from chrome tree parts. And that is this stuff here. The LA's Totally Awesome Orange Heavy Duty All-Purpose Degreaser and Spot Remover. And I picked this up. You know what's even better? Is I picked this up at Dollar Tree for like $1.25 for 1 gallon. It's crazy. And you can reuse it. Once I'm done with this, I'll pour it right back into the jug. And yeah, it's got that little color to it. And it's, let's see, it's, what's this stuff made out of? I don't know. Doesn't say. No clue what it's made of, but it works well. I mean, it's just like citrus juices, some kind of citrus stuff, citrus cleaner or something. And it doesn't burn or anything. You see, I can get my fingers in it. It's got a little silky, I don't know, silky residue to it. Of course, you got to wash all that off with soap and water. But look, it did 100% perfect job of removing chrome. I don't see any chrome on any of these parts anywhere. So, pretty cool. Yeah, guys, there you have it. That's how fast this stuff works. Let me get you back over to the laptop, and I'll show you what the time is. It is, hang on. Time is 5 p.m. 11:26. So that's just how fast it works in less than 10 minutes. And on that note, guys, I'll let you get back to your day. Just wanted to show you how quick it is, and the perfect chrome remover for model car parts. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with me. Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Appreciate you being here. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.